Hello, my name is Razvan and welcome to Raska Papercraft YouTube channel. Today I want to show you how to make this 3D origami model. This is a 3D origami cage. This is a very beautiful model and this is one of the best model I create. It is perfect for my Parrot, and these two models make a really nice combination. Okay, I hope you enjoy this model, but I must say that this is a very difficult model and I do not recommend to beginners. Let's start. Before I start the tutorial, I want to show you how to make a piece. This is the rectangular of paper for large pieces, 32 from an A4 piece of paper. It is about 5.5 by 3.5 centimeters. For this model I use small pieces. You will obtain 64 pieces like this from an A4 piece of paper. And for making this piece, I will cut this rectangular of paper in two. You will have a link in the left corner of the screen to learn more about how to make 3D origami pieces. If you are a beginner, I recommend you to go to that link. And now I will make a piece very quickly. A lot of you ask me if there is a method to make pieces fast. It is not any method. Only dexterity and experience improve the time you make a piece, okay? And we obtain this. You can see there is a huge difference between these two, and I will transform this piece in this very nice round shape pieces. And for this I use 5 large pieces connected in a row like this, and then put here, push, and then with your finger or with a pen we give this nice round shape. Alright? Remember, it is very important to make good pieces. Do not rush, because if you do not have good pieces you cannot make models, and the models will look bad. Okay, let's start. In the beginning I will use dark brown pieces, small pieces. I recommend you, all of you, when you make a 3D origami model, in the lower part, if you can, put dark color, because they are my dirt. Okay, let's start, and we will make a 3D origami closed base. You will have a link in the right corner, in the left corner of the screen, where you can find more about this base. In the beginning of the movie I will show you how I glue the pieces. This is the glue I use. This is a normal solid paper glue stick. You can find this in every office supply store. And I put some glue here and then connect the pieces. And then repeat. Right, I will not showing you how I glue because I work faster without the glue. Okay, now let's continue. The first two rows we use dark brown pieces, and in the third row we put light brown like this. And we continuing to put pieces like this until we have 18 pieces in the first row, 17 in the second, and 16 in the third row. Continuing after this model. We finish, we have 18 dark brown pieces in the first row, 17 dark brown pieces in the second, and 16 light brown pieces in the third one. And then we make this. Now we put the inverted row, dark brown row, like this. Push very hard and glue very well. Complete the row. Okay, we make this, and now we will close the circle. We put one piece here and then two above, and the last inverted here. And this is our small 3D origami base, closed base. Next, we increase the number of the pieces and we put a normal one, and then put one piece in one edge, like this, and then another one normal, increase again, and then one normal. And we repeat this until we finish the row. Complete the row after this pattern. We complete the row where we increase, and then we put two normal light brown rows. Very simple, like this. Complete this row and then put another one in the same way. I finished these two rows, and now we increase again. First we put two normal pieces like this, and then we increase like this. We put one here and then two above. Okay, then one normal, and then increase again. And two above. Do not forget to glue. Then another one normal, and increase again. And we repeat this pattern until we finish the row. Complete the row. Next we put 4 normal light brown rows like this. Complete the row, and after this put another 3 rows. Next I will make the support of our parrot, and for this I will make a small 3D origami open base, 10 pieces in a row like this, and one row will be dark brown and one row light brown, and we alternate this. Do not forget to glue. Seven, we need 10 pieces in the first row. This number again. We have 10, and now we close the circle and then complete the dark brown row. And from now we continuing in the same way. We put one row light brown and then one dark, and we continuing like this until we have in total 14 rows, 7 row dark brown and 7 row light brown. Next we make the ring. For the ring we start like this, 2 light brown, then 2 dark like this, then 2 light, 2 dark, and we repeat this until we have 15 pairs of 2 pieces, 25 dark brown and 25 light brown. Continuing like this. Okay, I connected all these pairs, and we have 50 pairs of 2 pieces, 25 light brown and 25 dark brown. Do not forget to glue very well. This I already put glue here too, and now very simple, connect like this, push, and then give a very nice round shape like this, and this we will glue here. If you want, you can make this ring from other colors. Here I make a green one, dark green with a light green. It is your choice. Next, I will show you how to make the bars for this cage. I will make 2 bars thicker. This will be the support, the resistance part of the model, and another 2 more thin. Okay, I put only 4 bars because I want to see the parrot inside the cage. Alright, and I will start with the large bars, and we start with 5 pieces connected like this, and then we put 1 brown, then we close here and here like this, and then 2 above, 1 dark, then close again here and here, 2 light above like this, and we repeat this until we have 35 black dark brown pieces. Okay, we continuing with this pattern. I will show you here one finish. You see the start and the finish here. 35 dark brown pieces. Make in the same way to have both bars the same curve. Alright, and next, for the, remember to glue very well. This part is very important because if you do not glue very well, this easily can break in 2 parts. The other 2 bars, the thin one, are made from 1 row like this, and very simple. We connect together around 66 pieces like this, and try to make the same curve like the large one. Okay, make 2 like this and 2 like this.